What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. This is going to be another quick review. Doing a little quick review, little things I'm buying here and there. I'll do the major reviews later, but this is a wire HDMI splitter. This is called the Urin HDMI splitter. I need this because on my studio, I have two monitors and I want to split the monitors. So if you don't know how to split monitors, this will be the episode to show you. So in here you have, look like a charger wire. Don't know why I would need that, but I'm ready to figure it out, I guess. All right. In here we have, all right. So in here we have, which is very well wrapped. Okay, so it looked like the splitter is here, and this is powered, of course. So right here is your power source, and you hook this up to your USB. Hold up, and they give you a HDMI cable, in which I really wasn't expecting this much for this low price. I think this was $10 or less than $10, but as you know, I will post it somewhere on the screen. So they gave us, it's not that long, but they gave us a HDMI. This is like 15 inches. So I don't know if this is any good to anybody, but you know, I guess it's the thought that counts. It says high-speed cable with Ethernet on it. Let me focus y'all in so y'all can see it. Okay, there y'all go. High-speed cable with Ethernet. So, with that being said, let's check this bad boy out. So the power cord is okay. It's pretty long. It's about, looks about, I'm gonna give it to y'all right now, maybe like 2 foot. This is about 2 foot long for the power cord. I'll put it in one of our slots. Okay, now we're gonna use their cord, their USB, and we are going to plug it into the laptop. Now, on here, there is a HDMI input, and then you have HDMI output 1, HDMI output 2. Okay, right there, HDMI output 1, output 2. So we're going to put power in. Okay, so it works. All right, now let's use another HDMI, and we're going to plug it into the other computer. All right, you guys, so I'm going to hook up the other HDMI, and then we're going to see if this monitor comes on. So we got this other HDMI going to output 2. Okay, I don't know why is it fuzzing like that. Oh, there we go. All right, you guys, we have 3 monitors. Basically, we have the laptop, we have the big monitor, we have the little small monitor over here. In case you want to do, you know, whatever you want to do on your laptop, then you can watch something up here on your screen. So in case you never knew how to hook up 3 screens or 4 screens, 5 screens, here's how you do it. Okay, so all you do is bring your mouse to the side, and there you go. Now these 2 screens are working simultaneously together, but I can separate the screens. I just have to go to the settings. But other than that, I just wanted to show y'all that the wire splitter, do a little quick review. So if you like that review, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment section.